Welcome back. So in the previous video we have created Azure Key Vault, and we also created a virtual machine as well. So why do we use Key Vault? So basically it's a cloud service for secure storing and accessing secrets. A secret is anything that you want to tightly control access to, such as API keys, passwords, certificates or cryptographic keys and so on. So these are the things that we are trying to secure here in the Key Vault. So let's go ahead and create a secret now. So for that, here we have a section called secrets. So under settings, you can see there is a section called keys as well as secrets. So let's click secrets, and here we have option where generate and import. So click that. So make sure that it's in manual. You can select certificate as well. So make sure you select manual, and coming to the name, let's have it as secret SC300, and let's add the name. Let's say Ravi's. Okay, let me add the secret here. Okay, I have added the secret, and content type, let's say it's admin info, or you can add admin password or so on, and like anything you wish. Like you can add let's say API key, and you can import the keys here, or you can add the passwords if you want, though it's based on like your flexibility. You can add anything you want. And coming to the activation date, let's leave it default, and if you want to add any tags, you can add here, but in this case I'm just leaving it default. And finally, let's go ahead and create it. So we have successfully created a secrets, which is named the secrets SC300, and the type admin info. So I just added some random information here, and the status is enabled. So we have successfully created it. In the next video, we'll be granting access to Key Vault, and yeah, I hope you guys understood the concept of today's video. If you've liked the video, please click the like button below, and if you're going to subscribe to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel, and please share the video. Thanks everyone.